I'm taking you along with me so you can have a glimpse of what I do in a day. So I have a few things planned out, and since alam kong it will take me a whole day, I already did my makeup kanina. And I'm still wearing my pambahay and I still haven't done my hair yet. But yeah, it's currently, I don't know, it's like almost 10. It's 10 a.m. And the first thing that we will do is buy some uniforms, guys. Kasi nauubusan na ako ng uniform, and kahit na I'm so close to my school, I still haven't bought anything yet. And I don't know why, pero yeah. So get ready with me. This is how it looks when I wear it. Guys, it's so pretty. Look at it. Anyways, we are gonna go find something to eat kasi nagugutom na ako. Guys, walang upuan sa Robinsons. I'm gonna cry. I need coffee. Guys, I need coffee. So since it's almost July, which is mid-year na, so I decided na gagawa ako ng bagong vision board, since yung ginawa kong vision board nung January 1 is not really aligned with who I am right now. And mostly kasi ng mga nandun sa vision board na yon is those are the things that I already achieved in a span of 6 months. So feeling ko, instead na mag-base ako doon na parang pangatawanan ko yun na 1 year talaga siya, I decided na mag-create na lang ng bago, since we're always trying to look for more stuffs in our life, you know. And mostly kasi lang nakalagay sa vision board ko is mga travels. So mostly nun parang hindi ko na parang napuntahan ko na siya, ganon. So yeah. Guys, natitempt ako sa makeup. I'm gonna try to find some clothes kasi I feel like yung mga clothes na sinusuot ko is paulit-ulit na lang. I'm also planning to sell some clothes, parang garage sale. Cause like, you know, overconsumption isn't a good thing, you know. You know what I mean? Just walking around kasi I feel like I'm gonna find something na maganda. Oh my gosh. I'm currently at Watson's and I'm trying to find some good products. Girl, I've been looking for, what do you call this, lotions, but the one that I have sa house is yung Myra, yung malaki. So, I have here Bare and Bliss Sunstick. Because kanina like lumabas ako without any sunscreen kasi nagmamadali ako. So, I decided to buy this one. Kasi mabilis lang siya i-swipe. But now, I need a lotion na sunscreen na rin. Okay, so I bought it. It's like 3.99 pesos. I think it's worth it naman kasi medyo marami na siyang grams. Like 20 grams for 400 pesos is actually a steal. Girl, I'm gonna try this out but I don't know where I can tambay. I'm like stressing out. Parati na lang stressed. So, I was supposed to buy a lip tint. Girl, who's running? I was supposed to buy a lip gloss, like yung vanilla, but I thought na parang it's not that important. Mas important yung skin. Kasi sa makeup. So, I'm gonna visit KKV. I'm gonna visit KKV. Clyde's what? Anong Clyde's? Clyde's Bread and Pastries. Oh my gosh, where?
Ay, broken. Tayo. Huwag ka kasi tumingin sa akin. Tumingin ka doon sa may...
Matay pag-joke.
Tawag ka. Tuwan tayo.
So, malinis ko mag-explain.
Parang gusto ko pumunta na is train.
Pati na. Lahat na lang gusto ko.
Likod ba?
Nakawin ko na siya. Ah! Cute talaga. So, I bought this. So, titignan natin kung basag siya. Because the last time that I ordered on TikTok, ang dumating sa akin is basag-basag. Ay! hindi siya basag. Yeah. Ang ganda niya! This is 3 ml in the shade Popsicle. So this is how it looks kapag nilagay siya sa lips. It has like a little bump. Para like kapag in-apply mo siya, talagang sakop niya yung buong lips mo.